Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing how to bookmark something in Google Chrome. At first we need to go some website or website to bookmark, like as here we want to bookmark Facebook in Google Chrome browser. How to do it? Then you need to click here, bookmark this tab, this star icon. It is the option to bookmark something in Google Chrome. So done. You can change it to bookmark bar to any folder as you want. Okay. Then show it is here. Here is login button. Bookmark. Here is Facebook login. This link is bookmarked here. It's quite simple.